Good morning. Wow, okay, so I'm awake. I'm gonna start my day. I'm gonna show you my whole morning routine, things that I do to help myself wake up. I don't drink coffee, so I do a few other things to help myself wake up and to give myself energy for the rest of the day. So I'm gonna show you guys what I do. First things first, I'm looking for, oh, here it is. I'm looking for my shaker bottle for my athletic greens. Okay, let's pull them up. Ooh. Can you take your doggy out? Okay, bye-bye. Goodbye. You and your doggy out. Bye-bye. 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 This video is actually sponsored by Athletic Greens. I've actually been using them this time around for the last about 3 weeks since we moved here into this apartment. But I started using Athletic Greens, I think in 2015. I remember my dad and I went to Spain together, and when I did my study abroad in Madrid in college, it was very hard to get fresh vegetables, so I was concerned about that. Also, I had an overnight flight, so I knew I was just gonna be exhausted. So I brought my little Athletic Greens travel pouches for the entirety of the trip, and I took those, and it gave me so much energy and allowed me to, you know, just have a great trip and not be so jet lagged the entire time we were there. I think we were there for 8 days. It was so much fun. This formula is really great. It's got 75 vitamins, minerals, and superfood supplements in it, all in one scoop. So I take this, I just mix it with water in the morning in the little water bottle shaker that comes with the Athletic Greens, shake that up and drink it. It's super, super easy. I don't have to worry about taking pills. I don't have to worry about taking multiple different types of pills, which is always a challenge for me. And it tastes really good, so that's extremely helpful. Sometimes I even add it to my smoothies if I just, you know, want a smoothie first thing in the morning instead, but most days I just mix it with some water and have it that way. It's also really, really great for supporting gut health, immunity, energy, and recovery, which, you know, if you're an athlete, we know that's especially important. So yeah, I really like it. It's just super easy to take. I keep it in the refrigerator so that it stays fresh for a long time. Click my link down below to get a free gift with your purchase, valued at more than $20. I call Athletic Greens my nutritional insurance because it is the most complete formula out there. You know, it's packed with 75 vitamins and minerals, and now more than ever is the time to take control of your health and make Athletic Greens a part of your daily routine. And Athletic Greens is available in the US, Canada, UK, and Europe. So make sure you order down below using that link. Water, come here, I'll give you some water. So now it is time to make our breakfast. This morning for breakfast, I'm making us Max and I some TEFF porridge. I love TEFF, and if you've been watching my channel for a while, you know that I love TEFF. And I don't actually give it to baby Jay anymore because it is totally undigested in her poop. So, but anyway, here's the TEFF. So you can see up close. It is so tasty and creamy. It reminds me a lot of cream of wheat. And it's the tiniest, smallest grain in the whole wide world. And it's super high in protein and other good nutrients. I'm gonna make this in the Instant Pot. I just pressure cook it for 6 minutes and it makes the creamiest, most perfect TEFF. Leave the door open, we're getting our groceries. Can you help me bring the groceries? You stay right here, yeah? Can you stay here and leave the door open? Maybe here. Whoa! No! Whoa, whoa. This morning I'm going to be giving baby Jay some oatmeal, and every day, every morning she has something like oatmeal, something cooked for breakfast, but I also give her something raw. Give her fruit every morning. So this morning I just got my groceries delivered, so there are some strawberries in there. So I'm going to give her some strawberry, banana, and maybe orange. We'll see. Right now, she's at the point where she's eating more throughout the day. She still breastfeeds, usually around 5 or 6 times a day, and she also eats snacks throughout the day. And usually her snack is fresh fruit. She's always on the go. She burns a lot of calories, and she's like really muscular. So giving her as much fuel as she needs. And for her, I just add flaxseed, some type of milk. Today I'm doing Ripple, which is a high protein pea-based plant milk. I don't add any sweetener. She's never had cane sugar or any processed sugar, except for she's had like little bites of my oatmeal and I use maple syrup, but she's never had anything super sweet. I really don't want her to get addicted and only want to eat processed sugars. I really just want her sweets to just come from fresh fruit, so that she stays on, you know, this healthy eating for as long as possible. I know one day she's going to go for all the sweet things, all the sugar and candy, and yeah, like I did. I assume she's gonna be like that. Oh! Here, honey. Banana. What's this? Can you say banana?
Yumma.
And then what's this? Strawberry. Can you say strawberry?
Body.
And then what is this? Oatmeal, right? Can you say oatmeal?
Yes.
Good girl. Very good. Ah, are you tooting? So while she finishes up eating, I am going to start working on my emails for the day. So I like to eat breakfast with her and, you know, give her like as much as undivided attention as I can. Sometimes I have to like do other stuff, but then I work on my emails, and then I actually have to film a video today, another video. So I'm gonna it's gonna be a cooking video, so I gotta get all that stuff prepped. And she's gonna go to sleep, take her first nap in an hour. So I have an hour to get everything prepped, and then while she's sleeping, I will start filming. Somebody threw her breakfast on the floor, the last bit. Oh, I gotta say, I'm not happy about that. That's how we know she's done. Starts throwing food. So at this point of the morning, Max is awake, so he's with the baby. So I'm gonna go get my makeup on and get dressed because I have to film this video as soon as she takes her nap. A lot better. Feel a lot more awake. Doing my edges. I don't like doing edges, which you might have noticed, because I don't like using this, like just this product, this edge control product. But I'm doing it to keep up with the culture, basically. I'm gonna clean up this whole kitchen and get everything ready for my next video that I have to film. So anyway, I gotta go and put this one to sleep because she is clearly overtired right now. Her nap should have started 2 minutes ago. And I'm also going to finally start filming my video. I've got everything, most things, you know, laid out and ready to go, so that when I film it, it will be a little easier for me, hopefully. Yeah, wish me luck. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you next time. Bye.